With a question like this with lots of information, it's always good to underline key ideas. So sickle cell anemia is a recessive genetic condition. And when you hear recessive, you should be thinking this: I need 2 small letters to get the disease. And it tells you that down here. A child must inherit 2 recessive alleles to be affected by the condition. So they've started the cross for you, which makes it nice and easy, which shows the parental genotypes. In other words, the combination of genes that the parent has. Here they've given you the famous letter B coding. So B is for dominant, big B is for dominant, and small b is for recessive. But they could use other letters like E or F. So the first part's really, really easy. You just have to marry up the letters. Remember that these represent the possible sperms that the father can make, and these represent the possible eggs that the mother can make. So what we're saying is if this sperm fertilized this egg, the genotype of the child would be big B, big B. If this sperm fertilized this egg, it would be big B, small b. You always write the big letter first. F this one with this one, big B, small b, and this one with this one with this one, small b, small b. So you should already be able to tell that this person is normal, these people are carriers, and this child would be affected. So it says calculate the percentage chance of a child being born with sickle cell anemia, in other words, being affected. You can see only one of these is affected. So the percentages you have to play with are 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100. Here, only 1/4 is affected, so you know the answer is 25%. Next question is really easy. If you understand the word, give the reason why the parent's genotype, the combination of genes they have, is described as heterozygous. Well, hetero means different as opposed to homozygous, and zygous refers to the fertilized egg cell from which the offspring develop, zygote. So hetero means they have something different in their zygote, so that would obviously be a different combination of genes. In other words, they would have 1 dominant and 1 recessive allele. That's what heterozygous means. Next